Hi, I'm Alicia Gromicko from Fast Site for You, and I'm going to show you the key features that every great home inspection business website should have. Whatever is worth doing is worth measuring. To measure how successful your website actually is, you have to look at the data, the website analytics. Our clients get full admin access to their website analytics so the inspectors can see for themselves how their website is performing. Here's a new website we just built. Our clients have a dashboard of website activities, including the number of unique visitors, page views, traffic, and a bunch of other stats. Most importantly, you should be able to see how many people have landed on your Schedule Now page of your website within the past month, and then compare that data with how many jobs you've actually scheduled. Now that's worth measuring. You gotta have a strong hero picture. Your hero pic is the primary image or video on your home page, located above the fold, and it's the first thing visitors are going to see. You get only one shot to make a good impression, so you better make it count. Your clients want to see you, the inspector. Show them how you do inspections. Make it easy for visitors to your website to visualize themselves enjoying and meeting and hiring you for their next inspection.
On the homepage of your business website, you want a picture of you, the inspector, not some fancy house. So you want to get a hero image and upload it to your homepage of your website. What's a hero image? Well, you've got to get a friend to help you take a picture of you as the hero, the inspector, and put it on the website, right? So a hero image is something like, make sure that the phone is this way and take a picture of you, waist up, smile, look at the camera and say cheers. And that's your hero image, like this. Cheers. Cheers. Or what's on your homepage? On the homepage of your home inspection business website, you want a picture of you. And we call that the hero image. Don't put a picture of a fancy house on your homepage. Show what your clients are going to hire. That's you. So you want a hero image on your homepage. How do you take that? Well, you get a friend to help you. She's gonna hold the camera the right way, horizontally, and take a picture of you from the waist up. And you look at her camera and smile, and that'll be the hero image. So it's gonna look like this. Right? 3, 2, 1. Smile. 3, 2, 1, smile. Maybe no hat. And that's your hero image. What's on your homepage?
Here are some examples of a hero pic from websites that we have recently designed and built for InterNACHI certified home inspectors. Here's Rick Bullock of Bullock Property Inspections. Nice pic. Here's Branford Carter of Octo Inspectors, another nice hero pic. Here's Sid from Healthy Home and Mold Inspections. Good photo. This is not a hero pic. This is a stock photo. That means it's fake. A picture of a fancy, expensive, fake house on your homepage has nothing to do with your company. This should not be featured on your website. Give a single, focused call to action. Your call to action is the one thing you want visitors to do on any and every page of your inspection business website. This is your primary method of measuring a successful website. Does your website convert visitors into clients? Make sure your call to action is obvious and shows exactly what the client needs to do. You want to reduce the number of possible things a visitor can do down to only one thing, which is to schedule a job with you now. It should be clear on your homepage and every page that there's only one thing to do. Here's an example of a call to action. Miss Kim's Inspections has a big Schedule Now button on her homepage above the fold. And because she has access to her own website's analytics, she can see if the site is converting clients as expected and designed. We enjoy designing websites with InterNACHI's free Call Me Now buttons. This button should be on your Schedule Now page of your inspection business website. Visitors click it and your phone rings. It's amazing. Clearly state your unique value proposition with a compelling statement, headline, or tagline. Why should I schedule an inspection job with you? Answer that question with your value statement, your unique value proposition statement. Why should visitors accept your call to action? Use a headline to articulate your value proposition, clearly stating the benefits you offer and what makes you different from other home inspectors. Here are some examples of inspectors who state their value in the homepage headline. Here's Gary Grout of Dark Horse Inspections. Anyone else is just looking around. Here's Peter Martin of Five Flags Inspections. The right inspector, right away. Here's James Johnson of Independent Home Inspection. You've found the best inspector. Show visitors the benefits of hiring you as their inspector. What do they get? What's in it for them? How do they benefit from hiring you? Sure, people need to know what services you provide, but they're much more likely to hire you if they understand the benefits they'll receive by doing your call to action. Benefit-oriented messaging is one of the best ways to convert visitors into clients. Here's a major benefit of hiring this inspector. Big Ben Inspections clearly shows with a hero image and a headline that communicate the valuable benefit of scheduling with him. Big Ben uses infrared at every home inspection, and he can see things that other inspectors can't. Your website should have video testimonials and other forms of social proof. People are much more likely to schedule a job with you if they believe that others have done it before them and they were happy with your inspection service. Social proof is the fastest, easiest way for a new or experienced home inspector to build credibility. Make them believe. You want people to believe you, right? Social proof is when other people talk well about you and they believe in you, and that proves that you should be hired. When you're recommended by others, it eases the minds of potential clients. If other people like you, you must be good. Get video testimonials from your clients and put them on your website. Right now, people are looking for certified professional inspectors in their neighborhood. Are you certified? Clients love seeing InterNACHI's Certified Professional Inspector, CPI logo, on their home inspector's website. CPI says it all. CPI certification simply means that you're the best. Don't tell them, show them. At Big Ben Inspections, we designed a web page that is dedicated to the inspector's qualifications and certifications. That page helps to answer the question, why is this inspector the best choice? Why is this inspector worth $500? Show off your InterNACHI inspector certifications and logos. I like the idea of offering something to reduce the perceived risk of hiring the inspector. I like adding InterNACHI's buyback guarantee on a home inspector's website. It helps reduce the perceived risk of hiring you. It also helps reduce the perceived risk of giving you referrals. For a real estate agent, a referral is a risk. So, reduce the perceived risk that agents experience when they refer people to you by providing the InterNACHI buyback guarantee. Reduce the perceived risk of hiring you and not knowing what happens if you miss something. You must have a professionally designed, good-looking business logo on your website. The logo has to be placed on your website in a couple critical places. It's important. So, get a business logo designed by InterNACHI's marketing team at nachi.org/marketing. They'll design your logo, redesign an existing logo, and they'll do all the design work for free. All you need to do is place an order. Action shots. Show people what you do and what you look like. They haven't met you yet, right? So, show them exactly what you're doing during a home inspection.
Every great home inspection website needs action shots of the inspector. So what's that mean, action shots? That's pictures of you performing inspections. So how do you get those pictures? You need a friend to help you. So ask her to come in and take a picture of you. Make sure she's holding the camera the right way. It's horizontal for a home inspector website page. And then take a picture of you inspecting and kind of look in her camera and do something like you're inspecting. You could even smile. And take other action shots, maybe with a tool like a flashlight, and you're looking at something in particular. It doesn't matter what it is, but have your friend, again, take another action shot. Wrong way, right way, take a shot like this. That's an action shot for your home inspector website. Another great action shot is you in front of the electrical panel because it's a big safety item. So have your friend again come in and take another picture. Wrong way, right way. Look at the panel itself and look concerned. That's a great action shot. Another great action shot for your home inspector website is you inspecting an electrical device like a GFCI. It's all about safety. So get your GFCI tester in here, get your friend to come in to take a picture of you, and she's got it now in the right direction by now. And now take a look at your electrical GFCI tester, look concerned. She takes a picture. And those pictures are action shots for your home inspector website.
Once you have a great modern website design and live, create a business profile on Google. Your goal isn't to be on page 1 of Google search. Your goal is to establish your business online using Google with a link to your website that converts. Ask your software provider like Spectora, HomeGauge, Home Inspector Pro, or ISN for the embed code of their online scheduling feature. Then go to your website and embed that code so that you have an online scheduler on your website. It's easy to do. Great websites should have online scheduling. Here's Big Ben Inspections Schedule Now page, which has the InterNACHI Call Me Now button and the Spectora software online scheduler. Here are many more features that all great home inspector websites should have. All of these things and principles should be designed into your home inspection business website. If it's not, then it's not going to work for you. Today we learned the top key features that every great inspector website should have. I'm Alicia Gromicko from FastSiteForYou.com, where we build custom modern websites for home inspectors in just 5 days. Thank you for listening.